can see my screen still, right?
No.
This is the ticket note, okay? 1784. I think I also told the same number. Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
So what you have to do is you have to ask your developer to implement this. What is there in this note is SAP had given piece of program. Okay. By copying that program, your developer will create a transaction code for UD reversal. Okay.
Okay.
Understood? So they will create and give you a new transaction code for you for UD reversal. Okay. When you go into that UD reversal, it will ask you the inspection lot number. The moment you give inspection lot number and execute, your UD will be reversed. So UD reversed means what happens? One step after UD, what you have done, because you might have released the stock from quality to unrestricted, right? So that reversal also will happen. Quality to unrestricted will be reversed and it is back to quality stock, and your UD decision will be same. Now you can change your UD and you can repost it. Okay.
Your voice is breaking actually.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
How is my voice now?
It's good now.
Okay. So what I was saying is, let me share my Excel screen. I guess. 17584. What they will do is create notification. Sorry, create T code. The program notes. Then you can execute the transaction. It will ask you to enter the inspection lot number. Save. Okay, so now your lot will be reversed. The UD part will be reversed, and there are conditions to it. For example, if it is a serialized item, system will not work. If it is batch managed item, this program will not work. If your stock is already consumed, then this program will not work. Okay, keep this also in mind. If at all you are going to reverse a serialized item, the standard program given in the note will not work. If you are going to use this for batch managed item, it will not work properly. Only the normal item which is not batch managed, which is not HU managed, which is not serialized, only those products can be reversed by this program. If in your specific industry, if those processes are there, serialized or HU or batch managed, then this program to be fine-tuned and used. Okay, keep that also in mind. Directly you think that you implement and reverse this system is not working, that might be the reason. If it is serialized or batch, it will not work, because it is a very light program that SAP is giving, because SAP is not suggesting to reverse once you've done UD. Okay, clear?
Okay, yeah, clear. So it means that it is not that much useful actually, like because most of the industries are batch managed. So
yeah, so that is why I'm giving this signal, because we face these issues. And in one of my project, we also edited this program for allowing batch managed material. There are small controls that they kept inside the program. It will just check, okay, whether whether this material is batch managed, and simply come out. Don't change it, because there is a reason for it. Okay, because if it is batch managed, it also reverse the batch status, and batch creation should be cancelled. Okay, then the system will have a problem. Document update will not happen when it is reversing by this program. That is why SAP has the standard controls. And if you are changing anything to this program, you have to take the risk. That means you have to test 100%. You have to do regression testing, all the processes working perfectly or not. Okay, that is the criticality of UD reversal. Okay.
Okay.
But
And
this
one,
can be used only in exceptional cases.
okay.
Okay.
And one more question, as we know, we can perform multiple times results recording, right?
Yes.
So similarly, we can also change multiple times in UD code or not?
Once recorded the UD, you would like to change without reversing, or how we are saying?
Like suppose if we initially given the UD code as A1, but after that we observe that no, it should be A2. So can we change from A1 to A2?
A1 to A2, it will be allowing. If you go to QA12, okay, it will be allowing, but stock posting will not be disturbed. For example, accepted only. Okay, so you post it to unrestricted, but you are doing rejected, then that stock will not be rejected. Code only will be updated.
Okay, so SAP will allow to change the UD code, but
yes,
stock update will not happen.
Will not happen. And it is of illogical, like, sorry, it is of no use sometime, right? Because you might have rejected and kept in blocked. Now you are changing it to accepted.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, so that is what. So you have to be careful whenever you deal with a UD reversal or your usage decision change. You have to ask hundreds of questions to the business. Why really they need? Is it an exceptional situation? Okay, so because what happens after UD, there are sequence of operations happening. That means sequence of step. Because after you do UD, that stock movement happens. That movement, that stock further will be consumed somewhere. Okay, so if you are trying to do something here, then the whole thing cannot be reversed.
Yes, yeah,
okay?
because
So
because there are many dependents.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you are saying that, okay, for example, in some time what happens, they will do accepted, they will do accept, but they want to hold it. Okay, you can tell them to move it to blocked immediately instead of bringing back to inspection or reversing the UD. Just simply tell them move from unrestricted to blocked. You know the movements, right? Transfer posting can be done. So they can keep in the blocked until they have a clear decision. Okay, that can be a solution instead of reversing it.
Okay.
Only in exceptional case you can use. Otherwise, you have other options. Or still they are saying, okay, I have to bring it back into the inspection. Use 08 inspection, the stock transfer inspection. Post from unrestricted to quality, system will create an inspection lot. I will show you that maybe in this week only. Today or tomorrow, I'll show that one. How to do a 08 inspection. That is also in our content. So I will explain you that. Okay. So I think I thought of, okay, taking half an hour to solve your queries. So we will go for today's topic. Okay. Or if anybody has any urgent question, who cannot wait till the end of this session. Okay. So I will take if any question is there in the end. So now we will start the today's topic of in-process inspection. Okay. So
don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
So what is in-process inspection? We have also saw this in detail during our initial sessions, but I'll repeat it. So in-process inspection means inspection during your production process. That means the time between your production start and production end. Okay. So the inspection you perform between the production start to the production end will be a in-process inspection. Okay, so at this time your product will be in WIP stage. Your product will not have any stock identity. Can you go on mute if somebody is not talking? Inspection. Moving. Okay. Production process. So let's take a simple process of making a shaft. Okay. Making a shaft. So to make a shaft, you have a raw material called a bar stock, maybe a bar stock material. You're bringing a whole bar stock and you're keeping, then you cut and make a shaft. Okay. Bar stock means it's a big rod or big metal square that you can buy from someone in bulk, and you will keep it as stock. Then you will pick that one and you will cut through machine, or you do some machining activities, then you make it as a shaft. Okay, that can be used in pumps or any other motors, right? So now to make